Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 10 of the video lecture series Probability. In this video, we will be looking at the type 4 questions of the probability which are based on the binomial distribution. Again, the most important topic as far as any competitive examination is concerned. Okay, so let's check what is a binomial distribution probabilities. You have already studied in your previous classes the binomial distribution. So let me write down for you here is it is NCR, it is P raised to R and Q raised to N minus R. इतना ही पार्ट अपने काम के, ठीक है. So what is a binomial distribution of probability is it is NCR, P raised to R and Q raised to N minus R, where N is what? It is the number of times you are doing an experiment. R is number of times you want the favorable options. P is the probability of success and Q is the probability of failure. ये success की probability है, ये failure की probability है, ठीक है. N is what? It is the total number of times you are doing an experiment and it is the favorable options. Number of favorable options is an R. Okay. So once you get the questions, you will understand this formula in detail. So let's get started to the question. See here, you are tossing an 8 coins. 8 coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting exactly 2 heads. क्या चाहिए आपको? Heads चाहिए. You want an head. So what will be the probability of head? So P is what? It is the probability of success. So what is the probability of head is? It is 1 by 2. If P is 1 by 2, what will be the Q? Probability of failure is what? Head नहीं आ रहा है. Head नहीं आ रहा है मतलब क्या? Tail आ रहा है. So what is the probability of head नहीं आ रहा है और tail आ रहा है is 1 by 2. And remember, always P plus Q is equals to 1. Why? Because one is success and other is a failure. That's why this topic is known as a binomial. This is a binomials, by terms. दो ही term है अपने पास. Either success है और failure है. And if you do the addition of these two, you should get probability equals to 1. Please remember. Okay. So in this particular question, you have 8 coins. You are tossing 8 coins. So N becomes 8. Are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting exactly 2 heads. 2 is our favorable option. 2 is my favorable number for heads. And what is the probability for head is 1 by 2. Not head is 1 by 2. So what will be the answer to the first question is exactly 2 heads means what? It is NCR. So I will write the formula first. NCR P raised to R and Q raised to N minus R. So N is what? It is 8. C R is what? It is 2. R कितना है? 2 है. P is what? It is 1 by 2. R is 2 and Q is again 1 by 2. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. That's it. This is your answer. हो गया भाई, आंसर निकल गया. So what is 8C2? How to find out 8C2? It is 1 2. So 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 8. So it is 2 गया है 4 से. So it is 28 by 2 raised to 8, which is 28 by 256 is your answer. That's it. This is the answer to the first question. Isn't it so simple? ये एक फॉर्मूला आपका सब काम कर देगा. So let's see the next question. B. Exactly 3 tails बोला है. अबे tails बोला है तो tails के लिए P कितना रहेगा? It is फिर से P means it is probability of success. It is 1 by 2. So Q कितना रहेगा? It is again 1 by 2. So 1 minus P you can do. So Q is what? It is 1 minus P. Okay. Okay, very good. So N is what? N remains same 8 but R becomes 3. R becomes C. So ये A हो गया. So B will be what? It is 8C3 1 by 2 to the power 3 and 1 by 2 to the power 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So that's it. This is your answer to the second question B. Okay. See, don't try to expand this. 99.9999% you get the same options. It's in the term in this form only, in the combination as well as in index form. ठीक है. अगर बहुत ही नसीब डैश डैश रहेगा ना तो ये 99.9 मतलब ये बहुत ही नसीब डैश डैश रहेगा तो क्या आएगा? इसका सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन आएगा कि भाई एक्स वाई जेड डिवाइड बाई वाई जेड कुछ तो आएगा. ठीक है. तो तब तो भाई कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं, तब तो इसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. 8C3 कैसे सॉल्व करेगा? 8 7 6 by 1 2 3 इट इज़ 1/2⁸ ये इसको सॉल्व करना ही पड़ेगा अगर नसीब आपका डैश डैश रहेगा तो, ठीक है ना. ओके, सो लेट्स सी दी सी क्वेश्चन. ओके, so again at least 6 heads you want at least 6 heads. So probability of x to be at least मतलब greater than or equals to 6. So x means what, it is my favorable number. x at least मतलब minimum 6 से बड़ा भी चाहिए. So this is equals to what I can say is probability of x to be equals to 6 or probability of x to be equals to 7 or probability of x to be equals to 8. ठीक है ना, यही तीन ऑप्शंस आएंगे, आइदर 6 हेड्स, 7 हेड्स और 8 हेड्स आएंगे. उसके ऊपर तो नहीं जाएगा बिकॉज यू आर टॉसिंग कॉइन एट मोस्ट 8 टाइम्स ओनली. ओके, सो राइट डाउन 6 के लिए क्या रहेगा. सो इट इज 8c6 हेड बोला है, इट इज 1/2⁶ एंड क्यू कितना रहेगा 1/2⁻² प्लस 7 के लिए क्या रहेगा 8c7 1/2⁷ 1/2⁸, सॉरी 8 नहीं, कितना आएगा 1 प्लस इसके लिए कितना आएगा, इट इज 8c8 1/2⁸ एंड q इज व्हाट, इट इज 1/2�0. ठीक है, नाउ इफ यू सॉल्व दिस you will get 8c6 is what, 8 into, just now we have seen 8 into 7 1 into 2, so it is 1/2⁸ plus 8 into 1/2⁸ plus it is 1/2⁸. so 1/2⁸ कॉमन है, ये गया भाई 4 से 28 आणि हे 8. ओके, एंड प्लस 1 you get the 37. Okay, so it is 37/2⁸. So this is your answer. Isn't it so simple? So what this binomial distribution does is, so whenever you have multiple experiments, when you do the experiment more than 3 to 4 times, भाई देखो इसको है ना मैनुअल मेथड से भी कर सकते हो जो मैंने ट्रिक बताया. सो इन फन क्लास नंबर 02 आई थिंक आई हैव टोल्ड यू द पावर ऑफ 11 ट्रिक. ठीक है, सी पावर ऑफ 3, पावर ऑफ 4, मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ 5 तक हम लोग मैन्युअली कर सकते हैं. बट यहाँ पे यार 8 टाइम्स बोला है तो पावर ऑफ 8 निकालोगे फिर उसका करोगे, सो दैट बिकम्स ट्रिकी वन. ओके, सो वेन एवर द पावर इज लेस देन 5 जस्ट गो विद द फन क्लास नंबर 2 ट्रिक. बट वेन एवर द इनका नंबर 5 से ऊपर चला गया ना तो भाई इधर आ जाओ बायनोमियल में, सो दैट इट विल बी ईजी. ओके, ये बायनोमियल भी ईजी है, बहुत ईजी. So the next question is, if 10% of pens manufactured by company are defective, find the probability that a box containing 15 pens contains exactly 2 defective pens and at least 2 defective pens. अभी देखो भाई 100 में से 10 pens manufactured by company are defective. So probability of defective. So P is what, it is a probability of defective, which is what 10/100. So which is nothing but 1/10 is the probability of defective. What will be Q? So it is 9/10, which is probability of good pens. Okay, find the probability that a box containing 15 pens, so n becomes 15. Okay, exactly 2 defective pens. अगर ये 15 में exactly 2 defective pens होने की probability कितनी है. So what we have is NCR. So 15 CR कितना है, यहाँ पे 2 है. Okay, 2 defective pens है, 2 defective pens. So P is what, it is a defective. So it is 1/10 to the power 2 and 9/10 to the power 13. What is it? NCR, P raised to R, Q raised to n minus R. So this is what, this is your answer for your first question. Don't worry, keep this answer in the same format. Don't try to open this because भाई एग्जामिनर को भी पता होता है ना भाई, एक आध मिनट में आप कितना सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो एग्जामिनर इफ यू गो थ्रू योर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ना, ये ऑप्शंस ऐसे ही देखेंगे आपको. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एटलीस्ट 2 डिफेक्टिव पेन्स. सो P इज व्हाट, X टू बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू 2. भी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू 2 मतलब यार 2 भी हो सकता है, 3 भी हो सकता है, 4 5 6 7 8 15 तक सभी डिफेक्टिव हो सकते हैं. सो इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन करने के बजाय व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, वी कैन डू इट इज 1 माइनस P X इज लेस देन 2. वी कैन डू 1 is total probability minus X is less than 2, so which is nothing but 1 minus P is what, P X is equals to 1 or p x is equals to 0. This you can do anytime. 1 minus, it is 15c1 1 by 10 to the power 1 and 9 by 10 to the power 14 plus 15c0 1 by 10 to the power 0 and 9 by 10 to the power 15. That's it. कंसेप्ट समझ में लो, ठीक है. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. फॉर्मूला ये सॉल्व तो हम लोग कर सकेंगे आराम से. अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. ओके, सो इजंट इट सो सिंपल? वेरी सिंपल. नेक्स्ट, if the probability that a student is not a swimmer is 1 by 5, then the probability that out of 5 students 1 is a swimmer, 1 is swimmer. So let's consider this as a p. So let's consider p is a probability of success, that is a swimmer. If not swimmer की probability, this is a q, then p will be what? Not swimmer मतलब 1 by 5, it is a failure. So p will be what? It is a 4 by 5. Getting? p is what? It is a 4 by 5. So out of 5, so n कितना हो गया? 5. So out of 5, 1 is a swimmer. So out of 5, 1 should be swimmer. So NCR, swimmer की probability कितना है? 4 by 5 to the power 1. नॉन स्विमर की 1 by 5 to the power 4. That's it. So it is 5 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 5 raised to power 4. So 5 by, that is 4 by, it is 4 by 5 raised to 4 is your answer. Isn't it so simple? Yes, very very simple. In a box of 10 electric bulbs, 2 are defective. Okay, 10 electric bulbs में 2 are defective. 2 bulbs are drawn at random with replacement. Okay, ठीक है. Find the probability that both the bulbs are without defect. Without defect मतलब good bulb चाहिए अपने को. Good bulbs. This is what? This is a P. So 2 are defective. Out of 10, 2 are defective. So Q क्या हो गया? 2 by 10, which is nothing but 1 by 5 is the probability of defective pins. So Q by 5, Q कितना हो गया? Sorry, P कितना हो गया? So P हो गया अपना 4 by 5 is our P. 2 balls are drawn at random. So your R becomes 2. Okay, R becomes 2. Find the probability that both the balls are without defect. So N is what? N is by 10. So it is out of 10 you are picking 2 balls and both balls you want to be good. So पहले बॉल की गुड की प्रोबेबिलिटी इज व्हाट? इट इज 4 by 5 to the power 2. ये दूसरा बॉल, ये दोनों बॉल गुड हो गए. तो रिमेनिंग व्हाट? इट इज रिमेनिंग इज 1 by 5 to the power what? It is 8. Yes, this is your answer. Isn't it? So NCR, P raised to R, Q raised to N minus R. So let's see the next question. A fair coin is tossed n times. ठीक है. अच्छा n times बोला है, पता नहीं है. If probability that head occurs 6 times is equal to the probability that head occurs 8 times, then n is equals to what? So क्या बोल रहा है कि n times toss किया है, so head occurs 6 times. So what we have is nc6. p कितना है? For head it is 1 by 2 to the power 6 and q is 1 by 2 to the power n minus 6. This probability is equals to nc8 1 by 2 to the power 8 and 1 by 2 to the power n minus 8. Please make a note of this. This probability is equals to this probability. So first sentence बोल रहा है. Then what? Let's check the indices. So it is nc6 1 by 2 to the power 6 plus n minus 6. So it is n. It is equals to nc8. ये 8 and 8 cancel. So we have again 1 by 2 to the power n. So this 1 by 2 to the power n 1 by 2 to the power n cancel हो गया दोनों में से. Cancel. So what is remaining is nc6 is equals to nc8. So whenever the two combinations are same, then what is the formula is n is equals to what? It is x plus y, which is 6 plus 8, which is nothing but 14. So answer is what? So you are tossing a coin 14 times, then you get this condition, that is 6 heads and 8 heads are same. If a dice is thrown 7 times, then the probability of obtaining 5 एग्जैक्टली 4 टाइम्स ऑब्टेन क्या हो रहा है भाई? 5 आ रहा है अपने को. ठीक है. अ डाइस इज थ्रोन 7 टाइम्स. सो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द पी? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस मीन्स व्हाट? व्हेन यू गेट अ सक्सेस, व्हेन यू गेट अ नंबर 5. सो 5 की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है व्हेन यू आर थ्रोइंग अ डाइस? 5 की प्रोबेबिलिटी इट इज 1/6 बिकॉज देर आर एक डाई की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है सैम्पल स्पेस कितने 1 2 3 4 5 6 so out of these 6 numbers I want 5 so that's why it is a probability of success becomes 1/6 so failure कितना हो गया it is 5/6 you are throwing a dice 7 times NC or what you want exactly 4 times so 4 so 1/6 to the power 4 and 5/6 to the power 3 yes this is your answer that's it कितना यार 30 सेकंड लग रहा है कि आंसर निकालने के लिए व्हाट इज द कंडीशन इज यू शुड नो दी फंडा ठीक है बेसिक फार्मूला पता होना चाहिए ठीक है फार्मूला से भी हम लोग निकाल सकते मैनुअल भी निकाल सकते सो मैनुअल का मेथड विल सी ड्यूरिंग द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस ओके सो प्लीज मेक नोट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन ये थोड़ा सा हटके है एंड अगेन द बेसिक ऑफ दिस मीन एंड स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन एंड वेरिएंस वी विल कवर इन द topic statistics so till the time you just make a note of this question I have taken from your previous year okay the mean and variance of binomial distribution are 12 and 4 respectively what is the p of x is equals to 2 is now in the binomial distribution mean is always equals to n into p and you know the what is n and p n is the total number of times you are doing experiment and p is a probability of success and a variance is equals to npq प्लीज मेक अ नोट ऑफ दीज टू फॉर्मूलाज ठीक है ये आपको समझ में आएगा तो अच्छा है नहीं आया तो भी डोंट वरी विल कवर दिस इन स्टैटिस्टिक्स ओके सो व्हाट इट इज सेइंग इज np is equals to 12 np is equals to 12 and npq is equals to 4 okay so what is the probability of px is equals to 2 so first find out what is the value of n, p and q from this. So if I divide this equation, so npq by np if I do, so what I will get is 4/12 which is nothing but 1/3. So np and np cancel, so q कितना हो गया भाई 1/3. If q is 1/3, what is a p? P is nothing but 2/3. Okay. If p is 2/3, what will be np? N into 2/3 upon 12 which is nothing but 6 so n becomes 18 now what values you have is you have n you have p and you have q so can you find out p of x is equals to 2 definitely it is 18c 2 it is p is what 2/3 to the power 2 and 1/3 to the power 16 that's it this is your final answer isn't it so simple so what I have done is NCR R is what कितने टाइम आपको x चाहिए this is what the R value ठीक है so I hope you are getting these questions very simple so अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो please go these questions once again you will understand it definitely okay so take a challenge definitely you have the chance to get your name in your next video so based on these questions I have given you 2 questions so क्या करना है आपको इसके जो भी आंसर्स रहेंगे आपको वीडियो के नीचे जो कमेंट बॉक्स है उसमें लिखना है इफ़ योर आंसर्स आर करेक्ट डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट योर नेम्स ठीक है सो दीज आर दी विनर्स ऑफ योर फन क्लास नंबर 7 कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू जिसका नाम नहीं है प्लीज़ डिमोटिवेट मत हो जाओ यू हैव सो मेनी चांसेस ठीक है बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ है अपने पास बहुत सारे चांसेस है अपने पास ओके थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो एक हिट तो बनता है एक हिट दे दो एक लाइक बना दो सब्सक्राइब करो यहाँ पे एक राउंड आएगा मेरे फोटो के साथ ठीक है सब्सक्राइब करो उसको सो दैट यू विल डायरेक्टली गेट सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड यू वोंट मिस एनी अपकमिंग वीडियोज कमेंट करो हाउ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो ओके थैंक यू वंस अगेन